Hi everyone, welcome to LOOk's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect party look. Step 1. Start off with a freshly cleansed face and massage a dime-sized amount of the LOOk's 4-in-1 protection primer into the skin for a soft and smooth base for your makeup. Follow with the LOOk's Silky Touch foundation and apply the LOOk's foundation brush for a perfect smooth complexion. LOOk's foundation brush is made from high quality nylon hair for a perfect distribution of pigment and a smooth application for your foundation. Step 2. After you've applied your foundation, we're going to be using the LOOk's concealer to hide dark circles under the eyes and blemishes. LOOk's concealer is a creamy yet lightweight concealer with the perfect coverage. The unique formula with added minerals melts into your skin tone and gives you the ultimate second skin look. After applying the LOOk's concealer, I'm going to be using the LOOk's Sun Protector Powder for extra protection against harmful UV radiation of the sun all over my skin. Step 3. It's time to give our brows some attention now. Use the LOOk's eyebrow pencil to accentuate the eyebrows. Comb the hairs into place with the attached brush for a defined look. The fine tip makes it possible to draw super thin hair strokes onto the eyebrows for a more natural effect. The unique colour pigments adjust to almost every hair colour for a natural accentuated eyebrow that will last up to 14 hours. Now we're going to add some colour into the face. Apply the LOOk's Iron Blush number 01E Flamingo Matte on the apples of the cheeks with the LOOk's powder brush for a healthy fresh look. Step 4. As an eyeshadow primer, use the LOOk's Creamy Eyeshadow in colour Earth. This liquid waterproof eyeshadow ensures a long-lasting eye makeup without creasing, flaking or fading. Step 5. Use the LOOk's eyeshadow number 909 Seashell Pearl in the outer corner of the eye. Apply with the LOOk's blender brush and blend the colour to the centre of the eyelid for a smooth and even result. Apply the LOOk's eyeshadow number 909 Seashell Pearl also under the lower lash line. Step 6. Accentuate the outer corner of the eye a little extra with the LOOk's exclusive eyeliner number 15 Purple Pearl and blend with the LOOk's blender brush. Blend the colour into the crease of your eye to make your eyes pop. Apply the LOOk's exclusive eyeliner number 15 Purple Pearl also to the lower waterline for an intense look. The eyeliner is waterproof, long-lasting and has a very soft texture, so no dragging on the eye. Step 7. Apply the LOOk's loose eyeshadow Moon Shimmer Silver in the centre of the eyelid for an ultra shiny makeup look. The Moon Shimmer is a lightweight, loose eyeshadow powder with an ultra shiny finish that will last all day long. Step 8. Make your eyes stand out with the LOOk's quick, long-lasting liquid eyeliner in deep black. Apply the eyeliner on the upper lash line with a stamping motion for precise application. Start at the inner corner to the outer corner of the eye, ending with a perfect wing. Step 9. Apply the LOOk's Mascara Ultra Lash on the upper lash line and lower lashes in a zigzag motion to finish your eye makeup look and give you those perfect lashes. Step 10. Use the LOOk's lipstick number 50 Happy Pink Matte for a popping and happy pink colour. Use the LOOk's lip brush for precise application. Do you prefer a shiny finish or a matte finish? If you prefer a shiny finish, use the LOOk's lip gloss number 30 Macaroon Pearl above the lipstick for that beautiful glossy finish. This is the final look, guys. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.